Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you are fine. I am going to discuss mathematics class second year chapter number 1 functions and element. In this lecture, I will solve exercise number 1.2 question number 3 part 1, 2, 3, 4 that is most relevant for paper's point of view. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Let's start question 3. Without finding the inverse, state the domain and range of f inverse. Question 3, part number 1, f of x is equal to under root of x plus 2. First of all, we write as it is. Question, f of x is equal to under root of x plus 2. Dear student, you must write with an under root value x plus 2 greater than or equal to 2. So x greater than or equal to minus 2. So domain of this function, graphical representation of this interval. So minus 2 to plus infinity, it means x greater than or equal to minus 2. So domain is domain of f domain of f of x minus 2 to plus infinitive. Next, put x is equal to minus 2 in f of x. So f of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. Under root 2 is equal to 0. So range of this function is equal to graphical representation of 0 to plus infinity. So range is equal to 0 to plus infinity. Next, state the domain and range of f inverse. So domain of f inverse x is equal to zero to plus undefined. Domain of f inverse x can also be written in the form of a range of functions. Range of function is that is a domain f inverse of x. Next, range of f inverse of x. Range of f inverse of x is equal to domain of f of x. So domain of f of x is equal to minus 2 to plus infinity. Which is the required solution. Next, question 3, part number 2. F of x is equal to x minus 1 divided by x minus 4, where x not equal to 4. Domain x not equal to 4. Solution, f of x is equal to x minus 1 divided by x minus 4. In this type of, first of all, numerator function x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 4. Domain of f of x is equal to all real numbers other than 4. We see that the function is undefined at x is equal to 4. Next, in case of range, x minus 1 divided by x minus 4 not equal to 0. So x minus 1 not equal to x minus 4 multiply 0 is equal to 0. X not equal to 1. So range of f of x is equal to all real numbers other than plus 1. Next, domain of f inverse of x is equal to range of f of x. It means value of the range of f of x is equal to all real numbers other than 1. Range of f inverse of x next is equal to range of f inverse of x is equal to domain of f of x, value of domain of f of x is equal to all real numbers other than 4. Which is the required solution. Next, dear students, next question number 3, part number 3. F of x is equal to 1 divided by x plus 3, where x naught is equal to minus 3 domain. First of all, in case of domain, denominator function x plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 3. First of all, f of x is equal to 1 divided by x plus 3. Domain of f of x is equal to x is equal to minus 3. So function f of x is undefined at x is equal to minus 3. Domain of f of x is equal to all real numbers other than minus 3. Next, range. In case of range, 1 divided by x plus 3 not equal to 0. So 1 not equal to 0, which is impossible. So range of f of x is equal to all real numbers other than 0. Next, domain of f inverse of x is equal to value of range of f of x is equal to all real number other than 0. That is the value of range of f of x. Next, range of f inverse of x is equal to domain value of domain of f of x is equal to all real numbers other than -3. Next, question 3 part number 4, f of x is equal to x minus 5 whole square where x greater than or equal to 5. Solution first, as it is, f of x is equal to x minus 5 whole square. In case of domain is already given x greater than or equal to 5. It means 5 x minus 5 is equal to 0, x is equal to 5. So function is undefined at x is equal to 5. Domain of f of x, given function in term of f of x. So f of x is equal to 5 to undefined. Graphical representation of this 5 to undefined. Next, range. In case of range, put x is equal to 5 in f of x. So f of 5 is equal to 5 minus 5 whole square is equal to 0 whole square, which is equal to 0. So range of f of x (0 to undefined), 0 to undefined. Next, domain of f inverse of x is equal to value of the range of x. Value is equal to 0 to undefined. Range of f inverse of x is equal to domain of f of x value 5 to undefined, which is the required solution. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah.